Hi, good morning. I'm taking you on another unit walkthrough. This time, we're here at Araneta City and Cubao, Quezon City in one of the ready for occupancy towers of MetroWorld, Manhattan Heights. I'm showing you this unit especially because this is the last one-bedroom unit here in this property. That's significant because if you're living here in Manhattan Heights, you're close to everything. So schools, there's UP, Ateneo, Miriam College, Cubao Elementary School just minutes away. Hospitals, you have St. Luke's, Quezon City, National Kidney Transplant Institute, Philippine Heart Center, it's also close by. You're walking distance to MRT, LRT. For malls and lifestyle, you have Gateway Mall, Ali Mall, SM City. For entertainment, there's Araneta Coliseum. I can go on and on. Basically, kung gusto mong nasa gitna ka ng lahat-lahat, you have to check out Manhattan Heights. So, let's show you. Let's start with the tour. Okay, so upon entry, so this is your living area. So this is 55.4 square meters. That's pretty big for a one-bedroom unit. This is, let's check out the details here. So 55.4 square meters. And it's really a nice one-bedroom unit because you have the balcony looking out onto, what's that? That is a nice view of the Quezon City skyline against the backdrop of the bottom part of the Sierra Madre Mountains. So kung gusto mo talaga ng premium view in Quezon City, ito na yan. Alright? So let's see. You have the living space here. So you can have your living room area over here, and then your dining area over here, and then let's go check out the bedroom. Isang magandang feature ng unit na to is the living room and the bedroom both have their own balconies. So hindi masasayang yung view mo, di ba? The city skyline against the mountain backdrop, you can see it both from your bedroom and from your living room. So, and then here you have a good spacious area. So this can be space for your closets, and your bed can be right here. And then the provision for air conditioning is available. So this unit actually, upon turnover, is already fully finished. So you will really save up on cost of renovations kasi handa na siya. You only have to buy furniture and your living space. Very nice flooring too. You have tiles and wooden panel flooring here in the bedroom. And then we have the ensuite bathroom. Very nice finishing. So the provision for hot and cold water lines are already provided. So you just need to buy a water heater. And then let's go check out the kitchen. So you have a fully finished kitchen. So you have your cabinets, overhead and under-counter cabinets. You have generous countertop space. You have a space for your washing machine. So this unit is available on rent-to-own terms for 8 years at 0% interest. If you wanna know the details, get in touch with